All right, and now I'm going to demonstrate connecting the SHARC into United Manufacturing Hub to bring the sensor data into a visualization. We're connecting to our internal mosquito broker and subscribing to SHARC serial number event IO. And our function, we're going to take the payload and set it up to take the MQTT payload, map it into count, and then we're going to push that into process value inside of Factory Insight in United Manufacturing Hub. In United Manufacturing Hub, we're just pushing it into an MQTT. So I'm going to trigger it. Here's our data. We go over here, you see we have 70. Now I'm going to trigger it here. See we have 74. 74. And that's it. That's how easy it is to bring that data in.